The Goonies probably did not help Chunk's self-esteem or his love for Baby Ruths. And as a parent, what can you do to improve your child's self-esteem? Life coach Sandy Weiner is joining us via Skype this morning. Good morning. Now, what if your child has issues with food? What examples would you offer for a parent?
When my daughter was about 10 years old, she started to put on some weight. She wanted me to create a symbol that would help her to stop overeating at the table. So I pulled my ear, just like this, and it would stop her from taking a second helping.
So what's the most important thing a parent can do? How can they set a good example for their kids?
Don't talk about your, spare tire or whatever it is that you don't like about your body. Don't stand in front of the mirror and say, ugh. Really just keep your body image very positive.
Thank you so much, Sandy. For more healthy family tips, just go to bodychecklist.com.